Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you on how to use the software to automatically add friends in bulk. I will scan the friends of this user. First, copy the URL of this account and convert it to user ID. Paste it here and choose the number of user IDs you want to scan, then click Start. The software will automatically scan the users of any Facebook account. After the scan is complete, export it to Excel and we will have a customer list. Copy the user IDs and then paste them into the automatic friend request software here. After you have the user IDs, set the number of friends you want to add and click Start. The software will automatically send friend requests to the customers for you. Please follow the software running the automatic bulk friend requests. Feel free to message me via Telegram or Whatsapp, and I'll assist you in using this software. Goodbye and see you again.